So I grew up here in Arizona, was born and raised in Mesa. I've owned my own business since I was like 12 years old. I was always doing something to make extra money, so I always known that I was going to own my own thing. So I was in property management and construction, and then I also worked on some air conditioners at the same time, and I always enjoyed it. And it was one of those days in July that was 118 degrees outside, and during this time, it was during 2009 after the recession had hit, and I was struggling to find higher paying work. Now there's always work out there if you're willing to hustle, but I would hire my HVAC guy to come and work on these houses that I was rehabbing, and it seemed like he made good money for his time that he was there, and he said he was busy. So I was driving down the road and I saw a sign for RSI, a billboard, and I actually took a picture of it with my phone and I Googled it, and I actually drove straight down to the building and I signed up. It was a wonderful experience. One of my reasons why I started my own company is because one thing that I find a lot of joy in is actually providing a great career for individuals. And also I really enjoy the satisfaction I feel when we've taken care of people in a way that fear that they had when their AC went down was now resolved and taken care of. It can be very worrisome if your AC is older and you don't know if it's going to be able to make it through the next heat wave that you have coming. We're sort of superheroes in a way because we're providing a service that is actually potentially going to keep somebody from dying. So it's a wonderful feeling that you're able to provide a need that can actually get people comfortable again. The advice that I would give to somebody getting into this industry that's wanting to start their own business and be successful in it is to not give up. The whole experience is amazing. It's a lot of hard work, but the rewards are wonderful and the opportunities are limitless. We need more people that can see that opportunity in this industry because there is such a need. We need tons of wonderful, great people that are willing to do this line of work. I'm Jay with Mountain Peak Air. I'm proud to say that I'm an RSI graduate.